To MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2004 Mustang GT 40th anniversary with a Stalker kit and a whole lot more under the hood. Foose wheels, oh my goodness, all kinds of little options. In the trunk here, you've got a big Kenwood subwoofer. You've got a battery relocate to the trunk so that it could fit all the stuff that's under the hood. Have a look in the seams, clean, tidy, just a perfect old car. 2004 with just 30K on it. Pedestal style spoiler, the Stalker bumper kit, dual exhaust with magnafow exhaust, so it's magnafow. I'll just point that out to you. A little bit of checking in the paint here on Stalker. I left it because it kind of looks like it's a little swoop. It's all good. And you can see the body kit on the side there, the nice chrome Mustang gas cap, the Foose wheels, new brakes, painted rotors, painted calipers, lots of rubber on the tires, side body kit, side vent kit. Then it's got the roll bar with the windscreen to prevent the wind from circulating in the car. It does have the tonneau cover. It's right there rolled up. It covers this tonneau here. For the sake of the video, I've just left it off. The leather is in great shape, nice perforated leather seats with the Mustang embroidered into the back of the seat in outstanding condition. Have a look in the door frames here, little GT covers on the speakers, and a sound system to boot. In here are the original books for the car, so all of that's right there so that you can read up all about it. Cool little floor mats here with the aluminum padding on it, brushed aluminum on the handle there, on the brake handle and the cup holder. All of the buttons are all changed out for aluminum, brushed aluminum. It looks really quite fabulous everywhere. Somebody went to a lot of trouble to make this car really special. So there is looking good there. Here's our other front wheel, no curb rash, no bending, no issues, runs out straight, in fabulous condition, painted rotors, painted calipers. Under the hood is the 4.6 liter V8 engine. It's got a Procharger on it here, Vortech Supercharger with an intercooler. So you've got your cooler over here and your blower there, cold air intake throughout there, shock chrome covers. It's got a cross strut tower brace to give the vehicle more rigidity, especially since it's a convertible. And we've dynoed the vehicle. It dynos out at 369 to the rear wheel. That's like 457 flywheel horsepower. That's enormous in this little car. Nice looking chrome front badge there, and close the hood. A little bit of chrome insert in the hood scoop as well. Have a look on the front bumper here. No issues, nothing there, just in perfect condition. There might be a stone chip there, but you can really hardly tell, that's for sure. Here's your other front wheel, no curb rash, no issues, painted rotors, painted calipers. Those are Foose chrome wheels. There's no corrosion on them. They look absolutely fabulous. Again, you've got the side skirts and the side vents there. And here's your other wheel. Again, no curb rash, just looking beautiful. On the driver's door, you've got your power windows, power locks, power mirrors, and the speaker setup there, all done in the chrome or brushed aluminum. As you can see, even aluminum floor mats. That is just amazing. So let me climb in and we'll fire this one up. The clutch feels like it's, sorry, I just hit the Viper alarm. Good to know. It's got a nice alarm. There you go. The clutch feels like it's a competition clutch. It's got some nice pull to it, that's for sure. No engine lights on, no buttons to worry about. 31,184 kilometers only. The stereo system is hooked up and working fabulous. So I'll just turn that up. That's got some real boom, no question. The air conditioning blowing ice cold. I'll just turn that on. Down here is your power top button. There's your cup holder, brushed aluminum buttons on the steering wheel to match the rest. Just outstanding. XM satellite radio, and then our windscreen. So let me put the top up and show you how easy that is. Push and hold that button and it just operates smoothly. Absolutely fabulous. Now we just reach over and clip that in. Sorry, it's a two-handed job. Here we go, just one sec. There we go. Not much to it. Just clip that over. And there we go. Got it. Hard to do one-handed, but easy to do two-handed. There goes the windows up. They're nice deep tinted windows. Again, you've got the tonneau cover. And listen to that. That's got some roar. That's got a bite to it for sure. Have a look at the door frame as I'm getting out. Absolutely fabulous, clean, tidy car. There it is from the front, the top up. Again, there's your tonneau cover to go over the convertible top. You hear the air conditioning kicking in. And then super sounding exhaust. No bumps, no bruises, no marks other than that on the bumper. That's the only mark. Super looking car here and available at munromotors.com. That's a 2004 Mustang GT Stalker body kit, Vortech Supercharger, 457 horsepower with a 5-speed. That is crazy. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. We'll look forward to seeing you real soon.